In this video I'm going to show you how to fix error E6 or paper jam in your HP Smart Tank printer. First step is to go to the printer control panel. We can see all the lights are flashing here and displays E6 error. To remove the paper jam, open the front chamber. So we can clearly see the page is stuck there. So we cannot take it from here. So let's try at the back side of the printer. Just remove all the pages and hold this page and try to take it out from here. So right now I'm able to pull it out from here, pull it slowly. So here we can see the paper was stuck here. Some of the part is still inside. So we can get access from here. If you see anything left over, you can take it out, or you can go to this side, have a look inside. So right now I can see there is a page left here. So now we can close it. Go to the printer display panel and press the power button. So this should clear the error, and now we can reload the page. So this way we can fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.